Mathina ma utongoria maria makoretwo magomeire gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Sonko no mathiite na mbere. Riri githagathago kia utongoria kaunti-ini ino nakio kionekete guthie na mbere kurumirira itua ria umuthi ria mbunge ino gutemania mutaratara wa kuhagura Sonko kuma gituro-ini kia ugavana wa Nairobi.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Mutongoria wa anini mbunge-ini ino Michael Oganda no matemanitio mutaratara uyu thutha wa kwamukira thairi cia MCAs 86 kaunti ino magikindira ikinya riri kuria makuruhanitie Sonko na maundu matiganite na maria magicungiriria arutwo wabici-ini.
He presided over massive loss and theft of the county public funds in the 3 years he has been in office, as evidenced by the Auditor General's reports of 2018-2019, which raised the red flag over the city's told Kenya shillings 204 million projects, as well as failure by the county government to meet its revenue targets.
Uhuthiri muru wa wabici gwikuruhania na ciiko cia ungumania iria icungiriria hingiririo kuingira wabici-ini yake ni igoti, kungathia kuneana maratathi maria magiriire kuri ruhonge rwa NMS thutha wa kuneana motungata mana ma kaunti, kungathia gwikira kirore budget ya kaunti na iria yahitukirio ni mbunge ino noguo gucungiriria gutharara kwa motungata ma muingi kaunti-ini ino ni mamwe ma maria matemanitio ta itumi cia kuhagura Sonko kuma gituro-ini giake.
The governor is yet to provide NMS with the crucial information necessary in aiding the carrying out of the transferred functions. For instance, failure to facilitate the NMS with data on ongoing projects, pending bills, and staff payrolls. Details on transferred functions has greatly derailed the performance of these functions, so to the detriment of the public good.
Kurumirira gutemanio kwa mutaratara uriu Speaker Benson Muturari na kifaro gia kumwandikira gavana Mike Sonko akimumenyithia ikinya riri ria MCAs noguo morie gugikinya mbunge-ini kiumia giukite gwitetera kuona niguo ndereti igie mutaratara uyu ikariririo mbere ya guikirio kura. Muigana wa MCA 40 haria MCA 122 a mbunge ino nio magirirwo kunyita mbaru mutaratara uyu niguo uhituke mbere ya gutwarwo mbunge-ini ya Senate iria nayo ngiariririe na ikie kura gukindira itua riri ria MCAs kana iriteanirie.
The threshold to impeach a governor is only 82. If a notice of motion can attract 86 signatures, so be rest assured 100 plus MCAs we are going to impeach who? The governor. But also what we want to put it clear into the security agencies that the lives of many MCAs in the county assembly currently is under threat. That we can see they cannot even come to the press because people are scared.
We have to bite the bullet and make sure that normalcy is brought back to the city. The voters, the residents of the county of Nairobi must start seeing the county of Nairobi offering services.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitego Maura, Wagunya.